Okay, I got a care package in today from Bosnianbill over in VA, Virginia. So let's open it up and see what he sent me. Well, see if we can get the box open. There's that part. Okay. Okay, that's just packing. Alright, looks like have no idea what kind of lock this is, but it looks like some type of dimple lock. He also sent me a 6-pin ASA lock. And this is another unknown lock. Okay, looks like it's got 6 pins in it. So that's got to be a challenge lock also, like that ASA and these other locks. Okay, here's a little small ABUS. I believe that's an ABUS. Yes, ABUS. Does work. There's the key on it. So we'll have fun with that one. And let's see what this is. Okay, this is an ACE. No key. Probably a 4-pin. So we'll check that out. See what's in this box. Oh, there's a nice little lock. Pretty little thing. Alright, look at the bitting on that key. Okay, spring loaded. See if we can tell what that is. Oh, it's another ABUS lock. Let's put it back in the package, keep it in good condition. And let's see. Okay, here's a little miniature ABUS lock, a 7230. Looks like a 5-pin. Okay, it does work. It's key retaining. Have to lock it back up to remove the key. Let's just test this one out. Probably won't be able to open this ABUS today, but let's test it out anyway. Okay, looks like it might be able to be removed and gutted, but I don't think we're going to gut it. We'll just, okay, well, let's try using the bottom of the keyway. We're just going to SPP it and see what we can do with it. Let's use this pick. Let's go start at the front. Let's work our way to the back. Okay, getting some feedback off of pin 3, I believe. Okay, pin 3. Oh, there it is, open. That surprised me. So that opens fairly easy on this ABUS. Okay, I'll just let's see if it can be removed. Okay, that's not the right tool for it. Okay, I'll have to check into it and see how that comes out. I may pick it again later and gut it. But anyway, there's a ABUS 7230 open. That's pretty quick time for that ABUS. Okay, Bill, I appreciate you sending these locks to me. I'll get every one of them open on camera. Anyway, we opened this ABUS, so maybe this is one that Adrian blessed for you. I'm not sure, but maybe he did. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble.